Going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, I hope that the lighting's okay, right? It's been snowing here on the East Coast in Gatesville, Maryland, man. It's just a mess outside. So I'm shooting this video from my car. Now, guys, you're on this site, right? You're listening to me. You opted into my page, if you opted into a page, or maybe you're finding me through one of my web pages that I set up and put together. And I put it together because I want to talk about one of the easiest ways to start making money on the internet. And I say one of the easiest ways to start making money on the internet because there are 1,001 ways to make money on the internet, guys. Now, when I got started about about 3.5 years ago, I was all over the place. I thought I had to build this exquisite blog, and I thought I had to have this fancy website, and I spent thousands of dollars, guys, okay, from jumping from one opportunity to another. I was just all over the place. And then what I learned, guys, as a student of the game of internet marketing over time was that the best way to, in my opinion, and the easiest way to make money online is by having what we refer to in the internet marketing space as affiliate marketers as automated done-for-you marketing systems. Automated done-for-you marketing systems. What's an automated done-for-you marketing system? It's exactly what it says it is, guys. It's a system that's automated and strategically it's designed to go out and do all of the work for you. All of the work meaning all you have to do is point people in the direction, right, of your automated marketing system, and they come into your system, and that system does all the selling and explaining, and it closes all the sales. It does everything for you. Now, why do I like using them? Because at the end of the day, guys, 90% of your work is done when you use automated marketing systems. 90% of your work is done for you. What do I mean by that? I mean that if you can point people, right, if you can strategically position yourself in front of people, right, and we're going to talk about that in a minute, then the way you do that is by what we call traffic, okay? And we're going to talk more about that too. But here's the thing. You just bring people, okay, to the automated done-for-you marketing system. And once people are inside of your automated marketing done-for-you sales system, that's it. You let that system go to work for you. And they can go to work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of vital statistics, and then I'm going to redirect you guys to this presentation I want you to see. Over 200,000 brand new people, and that number has probably changed now. These are probably old statistics from last year. Over 200,000 brand new people are joining the ranks of the people coming online every single day. That's every day, looking for ways to make money on the internet. They want to work from home. They're looking for ways to make money online. So with over 200,000 brand new people coming online every single day looking for ways to make money on the internet, the easiest way to make money on the internet is by having a done-for-you marketing system that caters to that particular demographic, right? That caters to that particular demographic to show them how they can start making money on the internet, which is what I'm going to show you. Now, before I started using automated done-for-you marketing systems, it was touch and go. You know what I mean? I had success. I continued to grow. I did some different things, and then I was able to get myself up to $200-300 a day. But after I started focusing and realizing that the awesome power of automated done-for-you marketing systems, guys, I continue to have $200-300 days, $1,000 days, and with my best day being over $6,000 in sales using automated done-for-you marketing systems. So today, guys, if you got about 10 minutes, I want to take about 10 minutes of your time, and I'm going to redirect you guys to a presentation where you're going to get to learn a little bit more about one of the systems that I'm using, right? Just a free presentation. And of course, after that presentation, you guys will have, you'll be able to make an informed decision in terms of whether or not this might be something you can use, guys, if you want to start your journey and you want to start learning how to make money online. But not just how to make money online, but one of the easiest ways to make money online. Remember, 80% of the work is done for you. Okay, so we're not going to take a lot of your time, guys. Right somewhere on this web page, there is a field that's asking for your name and or your email address. Both. It's one or the other. I got to figure out which way I'm going to create this page. But either way, guys, go ahead on and give me that information. And let's take you guys over to that presentation, okay? So go grab yourself something good to drink. Go grab your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your sister, your dog, whatever. And sit down, guys, and prepare to maybe learn and educate yourself about some things maybe you never knew, and how you can start making money online, how you can start working from home using automated, done-for-you marketing systems, okay? I look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. As always, this is your boy Marlon O. Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. I'll see you guys on the inside.